I scoured DHgate and found the best of the best top 5 shoe must-haves. Let's get into it, bitches. El pintalabio que tengo puesto para este video is by Mario and it's called Mauve Glow. Número 1 is these wired high-heeled sandals. I found them on DHgate and I can't wait to get my paws on these. They look so good. They look so luxe and rich and beautiful and stylish and right on trend. These are a dupe for the Bottega Veneta high-heel version. I've been wanting those for so long, but then again, of course, I can say that for every video because, of course, I'm a fashion addict. These are a great pick, a fabulous dupe for Bottega Veneta, bitches. These cost $125 with 48 cents. Yeah, 48 cents. I mean, couldn't you just say 125 then? They come in this teal color, they come in a lavender color, they come in a black color, even the green color. Número 2, puddle boots. These are the puddle boots that are a dupe for the Balenciaga puddle boots. At first, I was indifferent to them. I was like, I don't know if I like them or if I do like them. And then I've seen like some style inspirations of how to wear them and I think they look fabulous. If I was to personally get these, I would get them in white. I know, who am I wearing white? But something about the white just makes this shoe look ultra modern, very city slicker, almost post-apocalyptic. I don't know, it just brings me there. And you wear this with like sandy colored type of pants, a utilitarian. I just love the aesthetic of it and I think it looks beautiful, but of course you can opt for any color. These cost from $37 to $46. I'm not sure what the price difference is. Número 3 is the dupe to Alexander McQueen. These are a staple with Alexander McQueen. I've been seeing them for quite a few seasons. I've seen them in many different colors, ranging from like silvers to black, pinks. They're beautiful. They're such a city boot. This is something that I really would utilize here a lot in New York City because they're durable and they have a plethora of colors and they only cost $44, ranging to like $54. Price is great. They look great. Who doesn't want a little bit of Alexander on their toes? Wait, that didn't sound right. Número 4. You can treat these as rain boots. That's exactly how I would treat them. But of course, I've been known to wear my rain boots because I love my rain boots and they're breaking on me because they're so old. To wear them as part of my ensemble because the ones I have are by Marc Jacobs and they're red and they just look great. You can just wear them and utilize them as your everyday type of outfit. It doesn't have to be reserved only for like rainy days. I think these are a great option. These come in blue that I've seen and the pink and black. I feel to keep the luxe quality going, I would definitely opt for the black. These cost ranging from $76 to $92 is what I'm seeing. I think these are a great hit, a great find. And número 5, these are due to the Valentino. I think I'm gonna get these. I want these. I think I'm gonna get them. These come in a plethora of colors. I love high heels, don't get me wrong, but I feel like sometimes depending on the style and the look of the shoe, a kitten heel just looks more modern to me and more edgy, and that's what it's giving me right here. These come in a plethora of colors, and believe you me, I broke my head trying to figure out which color would I love to get. I feel like I'm already kind of opting for the black. Not that that's a negative for me. I just feel like sometimes when they have so many options of colors, it's fun to go for the colors. Love the fact that they come in so many colors, just like the original thing. I'm gonna go for the black, but I honestly, just by looking at them and really trying to look at them in detail because you're looking at them online, they all look great. They all look great, and I feel like this is probably my number 1 pick, the best of the best must-have, that I just feel it gets so close to Valentino, and for this price, it's just amazing. This costs $131. I think this is a hit. Should I get them?